Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to make beef soup with papaya and carrot. For the ingredient, I have some green papaya, some carrot, some green onion, some beef that I already cut like this, some galangal, some kaffir lime leaf, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 liters of water. Okay, and right now I'm going to bake the galangal inside the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, right now the water is start boiling, so I'm going to add the beef inside. And I also add kaffir lime leaf. And cover it. Okay, here is the galangal after back inside the oven 15 minutes. Now I'm going to smash the galangal a little bit and then put inside the soup. And right now I'm going to add salt, sugar, okay, and right now I'm going to simmer the soup for 1 hour. Okay, right now I'm going to cut the green onion inside a small bowl. Okay, right now after 1 hour and the beef already getting soft, and right now I'm going to add carrot and papaya. Okay, I'm going to cover and cook until the papaya and carrot getting soft. It take about 30 minutes. Okay, right now it has been 30 minutes for the papaya and the carrot. Okay, for the carrot and papaya and the beef, right now it's already getting tender. So right now I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, right now the beef soup with papaya and carrot is ready. So right now I'm going to put some green onion on the top. Okay, right now I'm going to try the soup. It tastes so good. For the soup, you can eat just like that, or you can serve with the yellow noodle. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. And please like and subscribe to my channel for more video. Bye. Thank you.